Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list in more places on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after you access to the marketplace, you will need to go to your listing. To do so, you will need to click on selling. You go to the listing and here you will find the three dots icon or option. You click on it. You may have the list in more places here, the option here, and then you will need just to click on it. Other ways to list on more places is by sharing your item in other groups or in many groups of selling, etc. To do so, you will need just to click on share, then you will click on share listing, and then you can share it in public or any other places, or you can just click on share and then share it to a group. In here we will find many group that you can share this item to. Also, when you create an item, you will see something concerning the joining groups, so you can share your items. So let's go for anything. So let's go for this image, etc. We go like that, like this. You give a category, etc. Branding. You give a brand. Condition new. You just add, etc. You click on next, and as you can see, it will suggest the marketplace or Facebook will suggest groups you can win, so you can buy and list in many places, and by that you will have your item that will be listed in more places. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.